Now here is how we can put the white dot on the iPhone screen, and let's get started. So the white dot is just a expression, but it's obviously not how it's called. The way it's called is AssistiveTouch, and it can be found inside of the settings. Then you need to scroll to the accessibility and find the touch section. At the top of the page, we then have the AssistiveTouch and want to toggle to enable it. So at first, make sure it is turned on so the white dot actually appears on your screen. Now we have this little floating button which you can tap on, and more toggles and buttons are going to appear. So that's pretty useful. However, what you need to do is then to customize it a bit more, because chances are that it doesn't work exactly the way that you would need it. So at first, you can customize what happens when you tap the white dot once, when you double tap it or long press it, because like different buttons and different actions might be triggered with those individual actions. So that's the first thing, but I like to keep it set to the open menu at a single tap, and then I like to customize the level right there. So you can replace some of the existing buttons right here, add a new one. The limit is like 8 buttons, so it's pretty useful. And of course, you can even make it go less, like you can only choose one thing. So yeah, it's up to you, just play around with it and customize it. And one last option, which I keep mentioning all the time whenever I talk about this, is idle opacity, because this is very useful. I like to keep it set at 15%, and it just means that the white dot is not going to stand in the way and block your content when you don't use it. So when it's idle, it's only visible for 15% in my case. So I recommend you to lower it down a bit more. I wouldn't definitely have it at 100% because I can always find it and it would just be too obtrusive. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to do what you wanted. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later.